things I would like to see, you know, like the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
Drove by it how many times, seeing the sign for it, and it's like, okay, it's only how many miles that way, but I can't see it. I try not to make any stops at all. If I stop for something to eat, it's at the end of the day. Now, when I'm sitting here waiting to be loaded, I usually have a box of cereal that I have right here that I can just eat dry cereal. Easy things to eat.
What about going to the bathroom? Do you drink enough water, or do you try not to drink so much water?
Well, one thing nice, most of the places where we pick up and drop off, there is a restroom in there. Sometimes, yes, I do not drink so that I can't, you know, I don't have to stop. For guys, it's a lot easier because when I was with my co-driver, he drank coffee. So he was going to the bathroom all the time, you know, and I would feel the truck pulling over and he's like, gotta go to the bathroom, because they can stand between the wheel wells there and you don't even know what's going on.
So did you like doing the team driving? What was that experience like?
It can be difficult. It just depends on who you get with and how well you get along. If both of you are kind of on the same page, we were pretty good about things. We really respected each other. You have to learn to be patient. You have to learn to be understanding. One of the most difficult things is learning your thorough pre-trip, because there's so much to it, because you're verbalizing it. Right. You can see the stuff like that, you know, but when you have to verbalize it and explain it to somebody, then it's like you got to remember. The other thing is, you know, when you're driving and taking your test, always look at your mirrors, scan all of them.
See, now you're making me think maybe I could be a truck driver.
You could, yes, most definitely. This little trip is definitely going to be a long one.
I know.